I decided that my vlog has got to start somewhere. So it's starting with Sanam and I, and we're going to the grocery store. Alan let me bring the car back up, or my car, the fuck. My car.
Is it raining?
Back up to SB. So now we're going to the grocery store.
Yay!
Update you later. Okay, so I had to make a hood out of my jacket because it's fucking raining outside. Sanam has a real hood. Oh fuck. Oh my god, it's so fucking rainy out. It's really hard to do this secretively so that people don't know I'm doing it. We're currently about to walk into Albertsons. I don't think that I can live this life. It's a hard life to live. It's kind of embarrassing talking to a phone.
They have ice cream cake.
Yes.
I love potato wedges.
Get some. Fridge.
Whole ham, perhaps?
Me and all my weakness.
Should we buy some candy?
No. Well, you know, health.
If anyone has had Marie calendars, let us know how it is.
Now we're gonna get some popcorn. Plenty of selection. I think I'm gonna get kettle corn. Ding ding ding. I have only. Okay, hard decision. Do I get fruit snacks? I think I shouldn't because I'm really trying to get skinny.
Do they don't have like Clif Bars?
These are like crack to me. I eat literally like 4 of them a day. Okay, that was a lie. I don't eat 4 of them. I eat maybe like
Oh, where's
2. Sorry, I'm really bad at filming my face. I also like to lay in bed and eat hella Cheerios. It's soothing.
I'm just gonna-
We're thinking about getting Cocoa Puffs because we all know I like the cocoa. You can interpret that in any way you'd like. It's time to go to checkout. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Cool.
We got
So Ella, tell.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
I don't think you can put that on you.
I'm gonna have to censor you.
Fuck you. No.
Okay, so Ella's pretty mad because I didn't know she needed to go to the grocery store.
You didn't even ask.
I know, I didn't ask. Oh, are you mad too, Emily?
Yeah.
They just went to the grocery store.
I got groceries, they didn't.
You literally got Honey Nut Cheerios! Honey Nut Cheerios! I wanted salties!
A public apology, Ella, I'm so sorry I didn't invite you too, Emily.
You're a fake bitch.
It's like, let's go put it away.
It's not bad, right?
I keep all of my food in these boxes.
Okay.
So we gotta take them all
Yelling
down.
at me.
Oh my god, like I can't deal with this drama in my life. Vlog. So, it's fucking raining outside. It's pouring. Well, you know, it's like down a little bit. It's pretty crazy. Really soaking wet. Our clothes are fucking drenched. Also pouring. So, I'm not really sure what's going on. The fuck up.
I keep that thing on me.
So this is Paris. How do you feel about the rain?
Rain balls in high school testing. We would all like hide out in the Have fun with your vlog, and I hope that you get a lot of views.
Thanks.